Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've been dreaming of a patio that feels like a cozy escape, today's video is just for you. We're exploring rustic patio decor ideas that combine charm, comfort, and a touch of nature. Stick around as we share 9 practical tips to transform your outdoor space into a rustic retreat. Let's start with the foundation, your furniture. Rustic patios embrace natural materials like reclaimed wood, wicker, or wrought iron. Opt for sturdy, weathered pieces like a farmhouse-style table or a pair of wicker armchairs to instantly set the tone. Rustic doesn't mean rough. Layer your patio with soft textiles like throw blankets, cushions, and outdoor rugs. Go for earthy tones, muted plaids, or textures like burlap to keep it on theme. Lighting is the secret to creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. String lights are a must-have for any rustic patio. Pair them with vintage-style lanterns or candles in mason jars to complete the look. Nothing says rustic like the addition of plants. Use terracotta pots, wooden planters, or even old barrels to house your greenery. Mix and match leafy plants, succulents, and herbs to bring variety and life to your space. Feeling crafty? Try a DIY project to make your patio truly unique. A pallet coffee table or a hanging shelf made from reclaimed wood can be fun weekend projects and cost-effective additions. The magic is in the details. Accessorize your patio with mason jar lights, galvanized buckets, woven baskets, or vintage trinkets like an old watering can. These small touches make the space feel thoughtfully curated. Create a focal point that draws everyone in. A fire pit, a large statement plant, or even a rustic swing can anchor the space and make it feel cohesive. Layering is key to achieving a cohesive, rustic look. Combine various textures like weathered wood with soft fabrics, or mix plants of different heights and colors. The goal is to create visual interest while keeping it cozy. Now that you have all these ideas, it's time to bring your vision to life. A rustic patio isn't just about decor. It's about creating a space where you can relax, entertain, and connect with nature. Which idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiration.